Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I do a problem of obtaining median through Ogive curve. So calculate median through Ogive curve to the following data. This is the problem. The data is this: class interval and frequencies. A continuous grouped frequency distribution it was. So therefore, now what I have to do? First of all, I have to construct less than Ogive and more than Ogive curves, for which I have to calculate less than cumulative frequencies and more than cumulative frequencies separately. Whatsoever we are calculating cumulative frequencies are nothing but less than cumulative frequencies. అంతకు ముందు మనం ఏవైతే క్యుములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసామో which are nothing but less than cumulative frequencies. So here I am calculating less than cumulative frequency. I am calling as CF, and more than cumulative frequency, again CF I am calling, right? So these are what two particular columns I am calculating. So less than cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequency, you know that. How to calculate cumulative frequencies? Take one frequency and then add cumulative frequencies, 2 frequencies and then 3 and then 4, etc. Add for the next frequency. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 11, that is adding 3, is 23, plus 15, 38, plus 12, 50, plus 6, 56, plus 4 is 60. Which are less than cumulative frequencies, which are as usual we know very clearly. And then more than cumulative frequencies, bottom to top. You add the cumulative frequencies last to first. First to last we have added here. Now last to first. That is first of all 4 and 4 plus 6, 10. Clear? 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 11, 48. 48 plus 8, 56. And 56 plus 4, 60. These are what cumulative frequencies which are called more than cumulative frequencies. Now I draw a separate table for drawing less than cumulative frequency, that is less than Ogive curve and more than Ogive curve separately. What is the construction of less than Ogive curve? You have to consider less than cumulative frequencies and which are to be plotted against upper limits of the class intervals. So therefore here upper limits are 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 70. Lower limits are 0 to 60. So that is for which I am drawing separately two particular tables. One for less than Ogive. For less than Ogive, I am writing here upper limits and less than cumulative frequency, less than CF. What are upper limits? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. These are the upper limits. The less than cumulative frequencies are 4, 12, 23, 38, 50, 56 and 60. These are the values for less than Ogive. This is the table I have drawn for less than Ogive. Similarly, for more than Ogive, I draw another particular table, right? For more than Ogive, I draw a table here. for more than Ogive. Lower limits and more than CF. This is another table I am forming for the more than Ogive to calculate or to construct more than Ogive. What are the lower limits? 0, 10, 20, 30. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. And what are more than cumulative frequencies? Which are 60, 56, 48, 37, 22, 10 and 4. So this is what the for less than Ogive, this is the table, and for more than Ogive, this is the table. These are the values here, and these are the values for more than Ogive. Now on x-axis and y-axis you consider, and so that you do the we can do the curve, we can obtain the curve, we can do the more than and less than Ogives, we can construct them. So therefore what I am talking now I am constructing the less than and more than Ogives, and then of course we can obtain median from that. So now it is a problem for Ogive curve also obtaining median. So it is also a problem I am drawing for Ogive as well as I am obtaining median. So here class intervals I am considering, which means lower limits and upper limits both we are considering here, and here cumulative frequencies CF, but I am writing CF. Cumulative frequencies are considered here on y-axis. Both here less than and more than cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequencies against upper limits, if you consider, then you will get less than also. More than cumulative frequencies against lower limits, you will get you can obtain more than also. So both these are going to be obtained here. So now you see suitable scale, you consider the values here. Here the maximum value is 60, of course here also maximum value is 60. So therefore whatever it is, the value 60 or 70, 70. Upper limits are 70 maximum values. So therefore I am considering 10 as a in 10 units in 1 particular centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units on both an x-axis and y-axis. This is what the scale I am considering. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Approximately you take the graph paper, more exactly the answer is going to be required. Answer of calculation of median is required. So to get as exactly as possible, construct properly. Take the graph, and by considering the centimeter and 10 units, you have to draw properly. That is very, very important. Here as well I am considering in similar fashion. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the maximum value is 60 here in the frequency, because capital N is equal to 60. It is going to be obtained. So therefore, now if you have considered one by one less than Ogive and more than Ogive, you construct first of all. Consider for less than Ogive. Upper limits and class frequency, less than cumulative frequencies, we have considered clearly. Take the table. 10, the 4 is plotted against 10. Make the point 4 against 10. 4 here, somewhere here. So against 10, I am plotting the value here. And against 20 it is 12. You see 20, 12 the value here. 12 is going to be plotted against 20. 12. And then 30, the 23 the frequency, cumulative frequency against 30, it is going to be plotted. Make a point. at 23 against 30. And then make a point against 38 against 40. 38. And then make a point against 50. 50 against 50 again. So it is what the point here? The 50. It is going to be plotted. And the 60 against 70. 56, yeah, one more point. 56, the value against 60. 56. Somewhere I am considering the point here, the 56. Approximately I am considering, right? And then 60 against 70. This is what the point I have considered. So I have drawn approximately the points. If you join, these are the points which are obtained for less than cumulative frequencies against the upper limits. We have plotted one after another the point. Now if you join, by joining these points by smooth freehand curve, the curve obtained by joining these points by smooth freehand curve is known as less than cumulative frequency, less than Ogive, less than cumulative frequency curve, less than Ogive. So join these points, you will get a curve by smooth freehand, that is by hand you join the points. No curvature between the points. You remember, join the points, that's all, at the shortest distance. At a shortest distance, this is the point. I am joining here the points at a shortest distance. Clear? This is what? Less than Ogive. This picture is what? Less than Ogive curve. Right? So now similarly take the more than cumulative frequencies and lower limits. Now you plot the more than cumulative frequencies against lower limits of the respective class intervals, so that we will get more than Ogive curve. So more than Ogive, more than cumulative frequency, I am considering 60 against 0. That is, this is 0, this is 60. And 56 against 10. This is what I am making the point here. And then 48 against 20. This is the 48 against 20. 48 against 20. 48 just below the 50. And then 37 against 30. This is the value here. 37 against 30. Approximately I am drawing this particular point. And then 22 against 40. 22 against 40. And then 10 against 50. It is so what clear, because 10 it is. And then 4 against 60. Now by joining these points you will get the more than Ogive. Hope you understand. This is what plotting the points. Plotting more than cumulative frequencies against lower limits of the class intervals. Now if you join these points by smooth freehand curve, without using the scale, and we have to join those points at a shortest distance, that is from here to here, shortest distance. We should not join like this. We should not join these 2 points here like this. A curvy nature. Curvy nature is going to be obtained after joining all the points. The curvy nature is curve is going to be appeared. We should not make from one point to another point as like this. It should be meet at short. These 2 points should meet at shortest distance, but not like this. That is also very important, right? So this is what exactly the one kind of picture I have obtained. So this is called more than ogive. More than ogive. So less than ogive and more than ogive obtained. That is, if in the problem construct ogive curve, then this is the problem ends. Here the problem ends. We have constructed less than ogive and more than ogive. Both the ogive curves we have obtained. So if the question is obtain ogive curves to the following data, then the problem finished. We have obtained less than ogive and more than ogive. Now if the problem is obtain median through ogive curve, then you have to continue, and also then we have to go and get the median value of the median. So now I am calculating median, for which what we have to do is you have to consider n by 2 value. So because n by 2 may not be appear, so therefore I have arranged the value. What is n by 2? N by 2 is equal to 60 by 2 is 30. Plot n by 2, that is 30. Okay, plot n by 2 is equal to 30. Of course, exactly it is 30 here. We have one particular value, right? So plot, and this is 30 along y-axis. So this is what n by 2. I am writing n by 2. It is very clear. N by 2. So n by 2 is equal to 30. So this is what the value here. You have to make this particular point n by 2 along y-axis, that is first. Thereafter, draw a straight line. From this point, draw a line which is meeting the ogive curve. ఓజివ్ కర్వ్ మీట్ అయ్యే వరకు ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయండి. ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఓజివ్ కర్వ్ మీట్ అయ్యే వరకు, ఎక్కడ మీట్ అయితే అక్కడ, ఎయిదర్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ మోర్ దాన్ ఓజివ్ కర్వ్, ఎక్కడ మీట్ అయితే అక్కడ వరకు ఒక పాయింట్ డ్రా చేయండి. డ్రా ఏ పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్ which meets ogive curve from this particular point. Draw a particular line which meets ogive curve from this particular point. From this point, draw a line which meets ogive curve. Approximately this is meeting here from in my graph. So you please follow your graph, because here no particular centimeter exactly. So therefore you have to take graph paper and trace the point clearly. That is very important rather than what I am doing here. Maybe it may be clear or may not be clear, but approximately it is true, right? So after that it meets here. There I am stopping here the line. From this particular point, draw a perpendicular line to the x-axis which is meeting the x-axis. So now start here. In which particular point it meets the ogive curve, there you start drawing the line, the straight line, and which should meet the x-axis, and draw a perpendicular line to the x-axis. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక perpendicular line డ్రా చేయాలి x-axis కి. x-axis ని మీట్ అయ్యే వరకు డ్రా చేయాలి. Two particular points very clearly. Start the point here and meet up to the x-axis, and draw the line up to the x-axis, up to the meeting the x point and the x-axis. So that is what I am doing. Perpendicularly you have to draw it. So what I am drawing here, one particular point, nearly it is I am getting nearly it is 35. This is what the median. So here itself you can change, you can erase all the values and so that or else I am writing here. This is median. Class interval I am erasing. This is what class interval. This is what median. Median is equal to, now let it be approximately 35. Looking to be 35 in my graph. Need not be 35. You may get 34.5. You get as exact value as possible. This is the procedure of calculating or obtaining median through the Ogive curve. Another method also I have explained. In which particular the two particular Ogive curves, less than Ogive and more than Ogive, meet at certain one particular intersection point. Both the curves meet at a particular point, intersect at a particular point. From that intersection point you draw, you see then little bit changes will be there here in my graph. So from this particular intersection point, draw a particular perpendicular line. Draw one particular perpendicular line which is meeting the x-axis. So there is a small change. Maybe if it is 35, it is 35.5 or 36. So this is what the, and don't think that two different values you will get, definitely you will get one particular value. You don't have a particular values like that. Maybe it means exactly as possible this value. So that I am not adjusting, so I am showing a one particular thing, that's all. I am showing one particular thing which is going to be exactly. It is not a 2, that is my intention, it is going to specify. It is not 2, it is 1 only. You will get one median value only by taking through particular alternative methods of drawing, after obtaining median through particular two methods, you will get only one value. Okay, right? Definitely you will get it. From the graph, you can obtain it easily, right? So take a graph paper. Graph paper is necessary for this and get exact value of median. Definitely you will get it. Hope this is what the procedure of obtaining median through Ogive curve and drawing Ogive curves, obtaining median through Ogive curve.